For those who aren't familiar, we recently released an option with our Pro 3 that you can do HD scanning. So what this will do is slow down the camera rotation and collect a lot more LiDAR data, right? So again, we're increasing that by millions of points per scan so that you get a much higher density E57 point cloud from that. It will not change the accuracy because more information isn't necessarily more accurate information. It is going to have a more dense output. Where we see benefits from that HD scanning is smaller items, right? So if I am scanning for creating especially BIM, and I have, fine electrical wires that are kind of small, or, smaller piping, or maybe the piping is way up in the ceiling and it's kind of farther away, right? Using that HD scanning, there's even a medium setting on that. Using either of those will increase the data we have so that our point cloud is more robust, which does help with the modeling, right? Which in turn can give you overall a better results.